Hey, what's going on? I'm installing Bennett trim tabs, smart tabs on my boat. I got a 22-foot Grady White Seafarer, and this says it could be anywhere from, I don't know, 17 feet and above. But over here in the directions, it talks about how you need to be careful whenever you let the actuators decompress, that it could hurt you. So they recommend using gloves. And it says right here 50 to 90 pounds could so I think that the tabs I've chosen are correct. I was going to use my GoPro, but for some reason the battery's dead. Imagine that. So these are everything that you're going to need. You're going to need some drill bits, obviously overkill, but I got my old school drill, got my tab, my actuators there, got my plates, got my Sharpie, got my marine silicone tape measure, and I just use my square as a self-leveling straight. It'll work. You don't have to have, you can use a 2x4, you can use whatever, and I have all of these screws and everything that comes with it. It's actually a pretty good deal. So, and then it gives you all your instructions, how to do it, page by page. So it's actually pretty informative. I didn't have a template though, so I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna get started on it soon. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do.